morning students. Today we will do mean using the step deviation method, and I am going to write the formula of step deviation as I have already told you the formula of step deviation method. As you know, the formula is x bar is equal to a plus f d dash x by n into I. So here the class intervals are given. So first of all, what we will do, we will change these class interval into the mid values. So we will find the mid values. 0 plus 10, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. We will add these two intervals and divide them by 2. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 divided by 2, 15. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 divided by 2, 25. 35 and 45. Now I will take the assumed mean. I will take 25 as assumed mean. So dx is equal to x minus a. 25 minus 25 is equal to minus 20. 15 minus 25 is equal to minus 10. We will separate the assumed value from the each value of x. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. 35 minus 25 is equal to 10. 45 minus 35 is equal to minus 25 is equal to 20. Okay. Now we will find the value of x bar, dx bar, dx dash. So how will we do? We will divide minus 20 by the common difference. Here the common difference of the series is 10. So we will divide these values by 10. We will get minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now multiply f by d dash x. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 1 into 0, 0. 4 into 1, 4. And 5 into 2, 10. Now I will add these values. 4 and minus 3, minus 7. And this is 14. So the answer will be 7. And here the total of frequency will be 2 plus 3, 5, 6, 4, 10, 5, 15. Now I will apply the formula. The formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation f d dash x over n into I. Now put the values. I am going to fill the values. Here a is 25. F d dash x is 7 over n is equal to 15 and value of I is 10. So we will get x bar is equal to 25 plus 70 over 15. So I will divide 70 by 15. 15 for the 60, 55 the 75, 54 the 15, 6 the 90. So 25 plus 4.6 we will add. It will be 29.6. So the value of mean will be 29.6. So today I told you the formula of subdivision method. In this method we take the deviations of x, then we divide the value of dx by its common difference and we will get the column d dash x. Okay. Next we will multiply f by d dash x and we will get the values. Now put these values in this formula and you will get the answer. I think you must have cleared this concept.